I look today.
What is going on? I don't know what is going on. What is going on? Lucky for today. Today, we're going to be reading chapter 2 of the Calendar. Okay. So, another thing, recap. Alright, let's recap of Black Man's right there. Alright, I'm finna read chapter 2 right now. Made up home. This was a garbage can, but he had shelter and still felt like a man. His record on his block is balanced. In this food, he got for living where he's staying, but he sounded like what you asked. That's Tom's thinking. So people always noticed him. Tom knew Otis. This was a piece on called Garfield. This was a piece called Garfield, who always brought Tom leftovers. Tom had a lot to say. Told him exactly this. What Jesus told him. But Otis said to him, this free food, good mood, and we're back in the shop. Never thinking of giving him food again. This day Tom went to rob Garfield. This was a sucker's first lick. Tom was a cat, so he had to be slick. Tom waited till Otis was about to walk up and grab a huge rock. It's not Otis from behind. Tom tried to slam him into the door, but Otis got Tom on the floor. But Tom started moving around like he on tour. Okay, that was chapter 2. Then, the Calendar Block. The full stories, so you come back here every Friday. It's on page below already. Okay. But that was chapter 2. I can skip chapter 3. But yeah. Alright, we know that. So we on chapter 3. Okay? Alright. Throwing hands on Otis till he was slow. Otis felt like he got jumped. Tom Superman his way to the cash jar was 150s, adding up to 10,000 racks. And wasn't 30 under the dresser. He finna really be leaving people on the stretcher. He left and seen Otis still thinking they in a fight, but underground, head in the air. Tom left without no care. 2. And hotel that was better from his old home. His first bed. Later that night, Tom had thought in his head, I'm 2 and 1 with big dubs. He's saying the I'm me, so I'm the best, cause he forgot the rest. He had a dream and it was a girl in it, like a human, and she was with Tom, like girlfriend and boyfriend. But he caught her taking his money and made her so funny to Tom. Tom thought karma, so he had that gun and hit her from the back. She falls, and Tom starts panicking, thinking how was she, and boom, wakes up in his hotel bed, remembering his first fight with Not Scary Jerry. Alright, look, that was chapter 3, and look, I'm gonna be dropping bangers. But welcome to the video, Loki Ferg here. Look, my dog's right here, she's chilling. But you know, I'm watching my back, but it's all good. Look, so today, I'm gonna be freaking recording. I ain't even say freaking recording, but freaking that vibration is what but look, chapter 4 of The Cat on the Block by Loki Ferg. Okay, that's me. I made that. Alright, so chapter 4. Alright. With all his new belongings, he is going to use them to get out of his old ways. He get up and found a studio. This was a private spot. It was cheap, but kept in bed and a place he can sleep. A girl cat named Sandy. She seen Tom had a bag, and she had no shame in falling for his game. After selling him his place, they exchanged digits, then became extremely close. They started to tell each other dark moments. She tell him about her scary experiences to try comforting him. Tom tried comforting her with love, but she asked him about any of his. He goes and say, I'm the best because I'm me. She said, I agree, making Tom wanted to take a knee. He liked what he seen that day they met. He brought a diamond ring, like a shine, it gleamed. Said loud, we be the best together. She had a plan to take his ring and money. Then a week later, they kissed and tell themselves they married. This made Tom happy. That's chapter 4. Alright, so look, it's probably gonna be just a straight original, because like I got my meditation music in the background. This music is just what when I first started this was the first thing I found, this is the only thing I used. I'm just gonna use my shit. Hey, I should that beat, yo. I don't really have that shit.
Today, peas. I wanted to make sure everybody got peas. Real shit. Okay. Today we're gonna be reading chapter 5 of The Cat on the Block by Loki Ferg. So Loki, also known as me. But Tom sees she does what she wants, and now want to leave. She got her bag and kept the ring. Tom asks for it back, meaning begging and pleading. She just left with everything. Now Tom is at the beginning in his own room, broke and alone. Tom feels abused and used, feeling blue. The next day, Tom stopped saying, I'm the best because I'm me. He started knowing it and bent a polite cat. He seen Not Scary Jerry, feel like he not trying to fight. Jerry say, you a ussy. Tom replied, and you a rat. Asking a question, testing Jerry. Answered no. Tom let out 3 shells and hit Jerry. Then planning on leaving town, but has no bread. He was thinking of going to a homeless shelter, but the agents were looking for his darkest cat type texture, mixing him with envy, and felt tougher after being 3-0 on his block with an L from Sandy, animal control started coming out of nowhere while Tom was thinking, then planning on leaving. Chapter 6, the getaway. I already did the rest on Patreon, so but that was all chapter 5. That's all gonna be on YouTube. But anyway, thank y'all for 1,000, and also people be staying in tune with my books. That's the end of the Cat on the Block on YouTube. But for sure though, just though it get even more crazy than what I let out. True. But I want y'all to go be amazing. Low-key forgot. Chapter 5.
Low-key, pronounced low-key.